Let's solve this question now. The number of pairs of integers a, b satisfying a is less than or equal to b, b is less than or equal to -10, and 2b minus 3 is equal to 69. So we have this equation in two variables, 2b minus 3a is equal to 69, right? And we have to find the number of pair of integers that satisfy this condition, right? So first I know that I need to find the integral solutions for this equation, and those integral solutions must satisfy this condition that the solution for a and b must be less than or equal to -10. Let me just find the value of b, that is around -10. Let's put b is equal to -10. So what does it become? 20. Goes to other side, it become 69 plus 20, 89. Divide by 3. I cannot divide it by 3. A would not be an integer. Let's take it as a -11. If I take -11, it become 91 by 3. No, I cannot divide 91 also. Then finally, for b is equal to 12, I would get 93 by -3, and I would get the value of a as 31. I'm getting the value of a as -31. So yes, this solution is satisfying this condition that a is less than or equal to b and b is less than or equal to -10. So I need all the solutions that are uh, all solutions for b that are less than this 12. Can you see? If I decrease these solutions by -3, next solution would be -15. So I need to decrease it by -2. So it would be -33, right? If I decrease it by 3, it become -18. So it become minus 31, 33, 35, and so on. These would be the acceptable solutions. Now, let me just write the general term for B. I know the common difference is -3. Between these term, common difference is -3. And between these term, common difference is -2. So I can write the value of B as it would be -3n times -12. And I can write the value of A as -2n minus 31, because at n is equal to 0, I am getting b as -12. At n equal to 1, I am getting b as 15. At n equal to 2, I am getting b as -18. Similarly, for a is equal to 0, I am getting for n equal to 0, same. For n equal to 0, I am getting this a as -31. For n equal to 1, I am getting -33. For n equal to -35, I am getting n equal to 2, I'm getting -35. Now, guys, can you see I can relate A and B. I can relate A and B. That A has to be less than or equal to B. What is A? -2n minus 31. It has to be less than or equal to B. And B is -3n minus 12. So if I take 3n to other side, I'm left with n. N has to be less than or equal to 31 minus 12. 31 minus 12, and that would be 19. Can you see the final value for this relation I would get is 19. So for n equal to 19, I would get the acceptable solution, right? So how many solution or the pair of integers are possible from n is equal to 0 to 18? How many values are possible? These are 19 values, and this one extra 20 values are there. Or option C is the correct answer.